In this tutorial, we are going to demonstrate how to complete and submit a new Superbill via the online Holistic Billing Services portal. To begin, you will go to the home page of your Holistic Billing Services web portal. From the home page, you will go to the Search Insurance Verification area to find the patient in which you would like to submit a Superbill for. Under the column for Submit Superbill, you will see an icon that looks like two documents. You will click on this icon next to the patient that you would like to submit the bill for. If this is a patient that has the same name as another patient, you will be given a prompt to pick the correct patient for this Superbill. The Superbill form will auto-populate the practice name as well as the patient's name. Your first entry point will be the date of service. This you can pick via the calendar by going through and picking the date in which you would like to submit the bill for. This patient type would be considered new since this is the first time you've submitted a Superbill for this patient. The office visit codes will then update and be the E&M codes for a new office exam. You will pick which code you would want to bill. The first procedure provides you a drop list of all of the codes relevant to acupuncture. You can pick your code and your quantities based on the services provided for this date of service. The diagnosis code is the third entry point and one in which you will be provided a drop list that's the diagnosis order determined by HBS frequency, meaning low back pain is the most commonly used diagnosis code of all of our users. You can also use the search box to put in key terms or the code numbers to also get a diagnosis code. Some payers may require you to provide a copy of the SOAP note for the actual date of service you are billing for. You can do this in the Upload Files area where you will click the orange button to select a file from your computer, double click it, and it will add this attachment to the Superbill before it is submitted to HBS. If you have additional comments, you may enter them here, and then you will click the Submit button. The Submit button will prompt a summary where you will be able to review all of the codes as well as the diagnosis that you have submitted for this date of service. If you need to edit this, you may click the Edit button, and it'll bring you back to the Superbill where you can make any adjustments to the bill before submission. Once you click Submit again, you will notice your changes, and then you can finally click the Submit button to perform the formal submission to Holistic Billing Services. You will receive this great nice job message, and then you can click here to go back to the portal and complete further verifications or Superbills. Thank you.